Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the YouTube Partner Program. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in youtube.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official YouTube website from which you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then log into your YouTube channel. Now once you have been logged into your channel, you will be taken into your YouTube dashboard. Now if you have been a long-time creator and you have some videos on your channel, then you will need to check whether you have met the requirements for YouTube Partner Program. Just click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on YouTube Studio. You will now be taken into your YouTube Studio channel page. Now from this page, scroll down and you will find the Earn option. Just click on Earn and you will be taken into the monetization page. From this page, you will be able to check your milestone and your eligibility for the YouTube Partner Program. Now, in order to meet the monetization criteria, you will need to pass 500 subscribers and you will need to maintain at least 3 videos every 90 days. You will also need to achieve either 3,000 watch hours of views on your channel or 3 million public short views. Once you pass any of these requirements, you will be able to click on the Apply Now button. You will also notice that when you are eligible, you will automatically be reminded on your email to apply for your monetization. So this means that you will need to meet these criterias before you can monetize your channel and join the YouTube Partner Program. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on joining the YouTube Partner Program. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.